tribute to Jomo Kenyatta, the founding father and first president of the Republic of Kenya, for his courageous and heroic role in the freedom struggle within the region and beyond. With our people's civil wars and liberation struggles of the last 70 years, the ideological landscape of the area has changed. This ideological change has, however, not yet been translated into a political union that some of our leaders, like Kuma, Nyerere, and Kenyatta,
President of the Republic of Burundi, and the people of Burundi, allow me at the outset to convey warm greetings and congratulations to President William Samuel Ruto, the government and the people of Kenya for this great achievement in the life of a nation. The Burundians share this great celebration with the Kenyan people, both in Kenya and abroad. Excellencies, as you know, in Africa, we gained political independence by liberating ourselves from the dark period of colonization. But another important fight must continue: the economic and technological jamhuri. We must lead this fight with determination, unity, and self-confidence as Africans.
Ndugu wananchi wa Kenya, mabibi na mabwana. Awali ya yote napenda kuanza kwa kumshukuru Mwenyezi Mungu mwingi wa rehema aliyetuwezesha kuifikia siku hii leo. Aidha natoa shukrani kwa Mheshimiwa Dr. William Ruto, Rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya, kwa kutualika kushiriki kwenye siku hii muhimu ya maadhimisho ya miaka 60 ya uhuru wa Jamhuri ya Kenya maarufu kama Jamhuri Day. Mheshimiwa Dr.
Na iyo ni ndumiriri ya atongoria aria magukinyitie guku